Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to assemble cylinder head parts. So let's start. Right click over right plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line. Now follow the end of this vertical line and draw a horizontal line. Now press escape, select smart dimension. And this distance is 253.817806 millimeter. Then click OK. Now exit the sketch. From reference, select plane. Now expand assembly and select right plane. Now select this line as second reference. Now click on angle and input angle 14.865203, and for direction add 180 degree with this. Now click OK. Now repeat the similar process. This time click on flip offset. Then click OK. Now right click over plane 1 and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line and draw a horizontal line from this end. Now select smart dimension and distance between these two lines is 144.963389 millimeter. Then click OK. Now exit the sketch. Now draw a line similarly in plane 2. Now exit the sketch. Select insert components and select camshaft. Then click on open. Now click here to place it. Now press Ctrl and select this surface and this line. Then click on mate. Select concentric and click OK. Now click on the end point of this line and this surface. Select coincident and click OK. Now expand insert components and select copy with mate. Select the camshaft and click on next. Now select this line and the end of this line. Then click OK. Now close the mate. Right click over plane 1 and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line and put the cursor over the cam profile edge, and from the horizontal line draw a vertical line. Now repeat the same process for all other cam profiles. Now exit the sketch. Now repeat the same process for plane 2. Now right click over right plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line. From this edge, draw a horizontal line. This distance is 413.78511669 millimeter. Now select center line again. Now put the cursor at this edge between two cam profile. Then middle point will be shown. Following the middle point, draw a vertical line from the previous horizontal line. Now repeat the same process. Now exit the sketch. Now click on insert component and select intake valve, valve spring and washer. Then click on open. Now click on the components to put it. Click on mate. Now click on the tangential surface of the valve spring and the tangential surface of the intake valve. Select concentric and click OK. Now select this surface and this surface. Then select coincident and click OK. Now select the tangential surface of the washer and the intake valve. Select concentric and click OK. Now select the upper surface of the washer and the lower surface of the valve spring. Select coincident and click OK. Now select the tangential surface of the valve spring and this vertical center line. Select concentric and click OK. Now select copy with mates and select this whole assembly. Then click on next. Now select the adjacent vertical line. Then click OK. Now repeat the same process. Now click on insert and click on exhaust valve, valve spring and washer. Now click on open. Now assemble the exhaust valve similarly to the intake valve. Click on mate. Now expand mechanical mate and select cam. Select the cam profile surface and select this surface. Then press enter. Now select cam again and select these two surfaces. Then press enter. Now repeat the process for all other cam and the valve spring. Now rotate the camshaft and check the assembly. It's working properly. Now similarly assemble the adjacent camshaft. Now check these assemblies.